Looking to automate your client onboarding process and save hours of manual work? In this quick explainer, we're diving into how you can use SuiteDash to streamline the whole process. Whether you're managing clients, projects, or both, this software can help you automate everything from document signing to task management. Stick around, because by the end, I'll also share some exclusive alternatives that could better meet your needs and offer some awesome free trial options too. First things first, SuiteDash is an all-in-one business management platform. It combines CRM, project management, invoicing, and client portal features into one platform. For client onboarding, SuiteDash is powerful because it allows you to automate forms, contracts, and communication with ease. You can set up automated email workflows that trigger as soon as a client signs up. This eliminates the need for constant back-and-forth communication, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Next thing, SuiteDash enables you to create custom client portals. These portals can serve as a hub for your clients, where they can upload necessary documents, view tasks, and even sign contracts. The beauty of this is the level of personalization you can achieve without lifting a finger. Once a client submits their details, SuiteDash automatically pushes their information into the right workflows, assigning tasks to your team and sending reminders as needed. The third thing you'll love about SuiteDash is its automation of contracts and forms. Using its document management system, you can set up templates for commonly used documents like NDAs, contracts, and questionnaires. When a new client signs up, the system sends them the necessary documents for e-signature. This is huge because it keeps everything legal, tidy, and on track without having to manually process each step. The fourth thing that sets SuiteDash apart is its ability to automate project task creation. After a client submits all their onboarding forms, SuiteDash can automatically create a project with predefined tasks. This takes the guesswork out of project management, saving you from the headache of manually assigning tasks to your team. Everything moves forward without you needing to check in every step of the way. Next up, let's talk about integrations. SuiteDash integrates with payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, as well as Google Calendar, making it easy to track meetings and payments. This means all of your data stays in one place, syncing seamlessly with your current tools without creating extra work for you. Now, as great as SuiteDash is, there are some limitations. For instance, the UI can be overwhelming for beginners. You may need a bit of a learning curve to fully understand all the features, especially if you're used to more intuitive platforms. Some users also report that certain automation options aren't as flexible as they would like, which might be a deal breaker for those with highly customized workflows. And here's where the alternatives come in. While SuiteDash is a solid choice, I also have a few competitors to recommend that can offer a smoother, simpler experience with a better focus on automation, perfect for businesses like yours looking to streamline client onboarding. I've linked to these software options below, along with a special extended free trial that's exclusive for you as a viewer. You'll get all the perks and benefits to see which one works best for your business. So if you're not quite sold on SuiteDash, you've got some powerful options to try out with no risk. To wrap up, if you want to automate your client onboarding process and save time, SuiteDash is a great choice, but make sure to check out the alternatives I've linked below, especially since they also have amazing free trials. Through our link, you'll unlock the best free trial available and some exclusive perks that you won't find anywhere else. Happy automating!